Mga idol, atong video karon mga idol is board pit lang gihapon. Pero karon atong sumandahon ang Prostom Pyramid or Truncated Pyramid. So ang measurement nani, ang B is 12 inches, which is the upper base length. Then E is 26 inches, which is the lower base length. Then height is 30 inches. So atong balikan ang formula sa board pit. Board pit equals thickness measured by inches times width measured by inches times length measured by feet, then over 12. So pyramid volume, standard formula of Prostom pyramid volume. Volume equals 1/3 height, open parenthesis, then A squared plus B squared plus E times B, close parenthesis. So the another one, Prostom pyramid volume equals height, open parenthesis, then E squared plus B squared plus E times B, then close parenthesis, then over 3. So the last one, pyramid Prostom volume equals height, open parenthesis, then A squared plus B squared plus E times B, then close parenthesis, then divided by 3. Kini ang atong gamiton ng formula mga idol. So sa ato pa, ang board pit equals height, open parenthesis, then A squared plus B squared plus E and times B, then close parenthesis, divided by 3 over 12. So measurement again, E is 26 inches, the lower base length. Then B is 12 inches, the upper base length. Then height is 30 inches. Convert into feet is 2.5 feet, no? 30 inches convert into feet. Kay mugamit ta og over 12 sa atong equation. So 30 inches equals 2.5 feet, no? So dara atong equation. Ato lang putol-putulon mga idol. The proper equation of math operation. So, tara. Board pit equals height, open parenthesis, A squared plus B squared plus E times B, close parenthesis, divided by 3 over 12. So, board pit equals 2.5 feet, open bracket, open parenthesis, 26 inches, close parenthesis, then squared, plus, open parenthesis, then 12 inches, close parenthesis, then squared, then plus, open parenthesis, 26 inches times 12 inches, then close parenthesis, then close bracket, divided by 3 over 12. So, simplify tayo. 2.5 feet, open bracket, open parenthesis, 676 square inch plus 144 square inch plus 312 square inch, then close parenthesis, close bracket, divided by 3 over 12. So simplify, board feet equals 2.5 feet times 1,132 square inch divided by 3 over 12. So dara, board feet equals 943.3333 over 12. So board feet equals 78.6111 board feet, no? 78.611 board feet, no? So ang atong Prostom pyramid volume in terms of board feet is 78.611 board feet. So, maoro to mga idol, og daghang salamat.